Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to put the air fryer accessories into test. I got these accessories about a week ago, and I also have a video of unboxing the accessories, so if you want to check that out, I provide the link down below. So today I created a big breakfast using the air fryer accessories, and I'm so excited to share to you guys how it turned out. So if you want to check this out, please keep on watching. Please check out the link down below in the description box on how I made this crispy bacon. I have another video for that. So first we tried to create a waffle using the air fryer silicone waffle mold. I have my daughter Jassy make the batter. She likes being in the kitchen, so I kind of let her do this part. She liked doing a pancake mix and a waffle mix. This is actually our traditional pancake mix, and we just try to use it, cook it using the waffle mold. We're gonna see how it turns out. Now that batter is set to go, I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil, just spread that around the silicone so the batter won't stick to it. This is my first time using the waffle mold and making waffle into the air fryer, so I'm pretty excited how is it gonna turn out. I'm not really sure how to cook it temperature wise, so I started in using about 350 degrees in about 10 minutes. So I just put that mold into the basket, pop that into the air fryer. I set it initially to 350 degrees and set the time to 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, I tried to check it out to see if the batter is not overcooked, or I don't want it to cook fast. So I turned the heat down into the 250 degrees and let it cook for the rest of the 8 minutes. I could see that the waffle is actually done. I'm just gonna cook it more, but I flipped it on the other side so the other side get cooked evenly as well. So that's what I did. I just flipped that on the other side, and I popped this back in the air fryer and let it cook the same temperature, 250 degrees, about 3 minutes. I spray it with a non-stick spray just to give it a little golden outer side of it when it's done. And after 3 minutes, the waffle is done. They turned out really good. I'm actually happy how it turned out, and they're moist and they're fluffy. So again, I'm just experimenting, and so far just adjusting the time, it made it work. And that's the waffle. Now I'm trying to make a toast using this toaster rack accessories. So then I realized that the bread that we have is too thick, so I guess this is made for skinny bread, so this didn't work. So I just did it the traditional way, how I toast the bread using the air fryer. So I just put butter in the bread, and I'm just gonna toast this using the basket. Just place that in there. This actually fit about 4 bread, but there's only 3 of us, so I just put 3, but you could squeeze in another bread. And just pop that in 350 degrees, and I let it toast for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, there you go, perfectly toasted bread, both sides. And I just placed that on the other plate, on my serving plate. And there is our toast. Now that's done, let's move on to the egg. We're going to make two types of egg, how the way it cooks. So the first one is going to be over medium. I'm using this pan. Again, another accessories from the air fryer. And I'm just going to put 2 eggs. I drizzle a little bit of oil so the egg won't stick, but not too much. And just place that pan in the basket. We're going to cook this about 350 degrees, 7 minutes. Again, this is for over medium sunny side up egg. After 7 minutes, there you go. The yolk is not actually hard. It's still a little bit soft, but it's not watery. That's how my husband likes the egg cooked. So I just pop that in. And even though I put a little bit of oil, you can see there's still egg stuck in the pan, but it's okay. The egg is perfectly cooked over medium. And now I'm going to cook another egg and make it over easy. So I'm just gonna cook this for 4 minutes on 350 degrees, and it turned out really perfectly. That's how I like my egg. A little bit runny, but not too runny. I made this big breakfast using the air fryer. This is so good gadget, guys. I hope you grab yourself one. I've been telling this on my video. Grab yourself an air fryer. Now for the test. That's an over easy egg using an air fryer. Isn't that good? Look how delicious that is. That's how I like my eggs. And that was delicious. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you find this interesting. If you have a current air fryer right now, I suggest grab yourself accessories. I provided the link down below for the accessories that I got in Amazon. Until next time, guys, please come back and see us. Ciao.